Back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to choose a Wix website. So let's get started the video. Before starting the video, I will request you subscribe my channel and like the video and share. So Wix is a free user-friendly website building platform. Our intuitive to technology and powerful built-in features give our users the freedom to design professional websites with ease that look amazing on any device. Wix is more than a website. Thought we offer a complete set of tools to build your online presence, from getting found on search engines to building your business creation for all. Our easy to use editors allow you to create your site just the way you want. These are the two most common way to create. The first one is start from scratch with a blank template or open any designer made template in the Wix editor. Then use drag and drop technology to add elements, for example, images, texts, contact forms, etc., and place them wherever you want on your site. Try our automatic site builder. Wix ADI is the artificial design intelligence. After asking you a few questions about your site and your style preferences, Wix ADI means artificial design intelligence then creates a fully designed site with custom content and images built in for you. Looking for advanced creation tools? Design a responsive site using flexible grids and full breakpoint control on editor X. Wix is free. So what is Wix is free? Normally the cost of building and maintaining a website using a professional programmer would run hundreds or thousands of dollars. Wix was designed so that anyone with a computer can build their own website free of charge. You are welcome to use Wix for free for as long as you wish and create as many sites as you want. To get even more for your website or business, you can upgrade to one of our premium plans, which allow you to connect your own domain, remove Wix ads, accept online payments, and more. Wix has something for everyone. No matter what you come to Wix to create, we have the custom design and tools ready to help you make it happen. Find website templates designed for a range of topics and industries, from online stores to consultant agencies, and from portfolios to personal blogs. Each template is created by design. How to make money with a Wix website? Here are the top 3 ways you can start to make money from your Wix website immediately. 3 ways you make money from a Wix website. First of all is the consulting. Let's start to learn about consulting. To start to make money with a Wix website, immediately consider consulting. You do not need a lot of traffic to begin to land a few clients, especially if you are active with the promotion of your website. To figure out your consulting rate, decide what you would like your ideal yearly salary to be. Once you have this figure, you divide it by 52 weeks in a year. Then take your weekly rate and divide by 40 average work week. Second one is design. Here is the ideal yearly salary. 52 weeks is equal to weekly rate, and weekly rate 40 hours is equal to per hour rate. That will I tell you. Second one is the design. Since you have walked through learning how to create a Wix website with this guide, consider building Wix websites for others for a set fee. Consider the following. So we will discuss is one by one. First one is setting up a Wix requires no code. Second is the professionals need portfolio website. Third is local business owners need websites. Make sure to ask for content to be uploaded and any image assets. Busy professionals will be willing to pay. In general, people are always ready to pay for convenience of time. I put myself through college making WordPress websites and creating sites with free website builders. I recommended approaching local business owners that do not have website or have website that look like they were built back in the early 90s. So the third one is freelance content writing. Are you a skilled writer? You can offer writing services for site owners. Trust me, site owners always need content, and so will you as a site owner yourself. If you would like to make quick money from your Wix website, consider becoming a freelancer. Additionally, I mentioned earlier that I wrote a step-by-step guide that discussed method to monetize a blog. I recommended reading the blog monetization guide for additional way to monetize a website, since what I discuss in the guide directly translates to monetizing a website as well.